Model, 65-plate Ford Transit Custom 2.2 TD100 PS 290 front-wheel drive L2 starts drives noisy gearbox FSH. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 195823. MOT, the 20th of January 2025. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2100 PS TDCI-A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Unfortunately, the gearbox is whining in all gears still starting to drive. Fine, will need the gearbox replacing at some point. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, electric windows, full service history fully stamped up including a recent invoice for over £1,000 for a major service. Grin. EU status, Euro